Hey, let's go make fire with nothing but sticks. Let's go. Guys, help me spread this video by tagging 3 friends that should watch this video and learn how to make a friction fire. And I'm gonna choose one of you guys and I'm gonna send you out your very own hand drill friction fire kit that I made for you. And thank you for helping me spread this video. All right, let's go collect everything that's necessary to build our kit and our tinder bundle, and then we'll go back to my house and we'll make a fire. All right, so we have this yucca right here that's already fallen over. So I just want a little bit of this to collect for the inner part of my tinder bundle. That could be a nice ember tray right there. Perfect. All right, guys, now I'm just gonna take my yucca pieces, I'm gonna throw them in my drop pouch, and we're just gonna keep moving and looking for resources that we need. All right, so here is a bunch of mountain mahogany seeds that are being dropped off. This is great tinder to put near the center of the tinder pile. So we're just gonna start stuffing our bag full of these mountain mahogany seeds. Wow, look at that. Look how nice that spindle is. I don't think I have. One more. You see this bark? Perfect. Look at this. We're gonna put that in the pouch. I think I'm also gonna take a piece of this branch right here. All right, I think we're gonna turn this into the hearthboard piece. So we're gonna go ahead and take this piece along with everything else we found, head back to my house and create the fire. Let's go. All right, guys, back at my house now, and we're gonna process this down and we're gonna make ourselves a nice hearthboard. Here's our hearthboard. Finish that. Now you saw how I made the bundles with my friend Adam, but if you can find a dried piece, this is how you'd make the fire in a more immediate situation. So now I'm just going to trim off all the branches. There we go, got ourselves a spindle. So now we have a spindle and we have a hearthboard. Let's go give it a shot. Alright, so now we're going to cut the notch. Alright guys, don't forget, tag 3 friends, put them in the comments below right now, share this video. More people need to learn this skill. And remember, you can win a handmade friction fire kit made by me for you for just participating. And thank you for helping me spread this video.